brings the blood flow to the area, so it kind of warms it up after a few minutes, and it gives you a nice sensation where it just relaxes the muscles and everything.
Trigger points here, so we'll see what happens. It may be a stiff one. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, and here's for the traction area. Ooh. Go ahead and just relax there. Oh, very good. Wow. Now we're gonna hit this other side. Yeah, it felt pretty good, huh? Beautiful, beautiful.
Oftentimes people will have a, boy, she's moving good today. And you're awful noisy. They're loving that. We have a lot of crack addicts out there that watch us. They're loving our cavitations in the spine. There we go. Excellent. Oh yeah, good. Shunt. And you have to treat his homework, which I gave him, which he's doing, which is his exercises that we showed him. And it's the patients who do their homework. They sit right, they sleep right, they walk right, they do their home exercises that we show them here. They're the ones that get well and stay well. It's the people.
Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's Monica Lewinsky. Molly in that whiskey, that's